Morning students, I have a very interesting topic lined up for you today. But before I tell you what it is, tell me something. Do you have a pet at home? Well, if you do, that's great. Now you might be wondering why I am telling you this. That's because in this session we shall read and discuss a poem which talks about a cat. That is Macavity, a mysterious cat. Okay children, Standard 11, Unit 4, Macavity, The Mystery Cat, written by Thomas Stearns Eliot in the year 1888 to 1965. It is an everlasting poem by T.S. Eliot. Macavity, the Mystery Cat, is a fictional character. He describes him as a hidden power and Napoleon of crime. Okay, are you ready to learn? Let's get started.
Dear children, this poem, Macavity, the Mystery Cat, written by T.S. Eliot. Let's see the warm-up question first. Okay, so first of all, you must know about the mystery cat. The meaning of the mystery is something that is difficult or impossible to understand or explain. Or this poem dealing with a puzzle crime. Actually, the Macavity is a cat portrayed by the poet as a master criminal. Okay, now let's see the warm-up question. A French proverb goes thus: the dog may be wonderful prose, but only the cat is poetry. You may have observed that all animals possess a number of unique qualities. Fill in the columns with words and phrases associated with each of the following animals. Here is given dog, cat, wolf, and elephant. So you must fill up this column with the words or phrases associated with each of the following. Okay, you observed some animals, no? Here is given 4 animals names. So you have to write about their qualities, unique qualities: dog, cat, and wolf and elephant. Okay, please write the unique qualities of these animals in the boxes. Write in the notebook and send it to me. Okay.
Let's learn the point in detail. Thomas Stearns Eliot was born on September 26, 1888 at St. Louis, Missouri, and died on January 4, 1965. He was an American poet, English poet, playwright, essayist, a literary critic, and editor. He graduated from Harvard University and then left for France and the Sorbonne to study philosophy. Okay, then some of his popular poems are The Waste Land, Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, Ash Wednesday, Four Quarters, and Journey of the Mind. So Eliot demonstrated that a poet's business is not just reporting feeling, but extending feeling and creating a shape to convey it. Before we start learning this poem, I would like to tell the gist of the poem. This poem is about Macavity, the mystery cat. The poet describes him as a hidden power and a Napoleon of crime. So Macavity is a master criminal who can disobey any law. Even the famous detective agencies like Scotland Yard, Metropolitan Police, the flying squad are unable to catch him. He is a master in breaking the human laws and the law of gravity. He is a ginger cat, very tall and thin. His eyebrows are deeply lined with thought. His outward impression is respectable, as he is very clever and cunning. His footprints are never to be found in any file of Scotland Yards. Looting, stealing jewel cases, stifling pigs, robbing treaty from foreign office, and plans and drawings from Admiralty are the crimes committed by him, Ginger Cat. He escapes using an alibi. Now I explain in detail this poem. This is the first two lines. Listen carefully. Macavity, a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Macavity is a mysterious cat. He is known by the name Hidden Paw because he is a master criminal who can disobey any law. The next third and fourth line. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squads despair for when they reach the scene of crime. Macavity is not there. Even the famous detective agencies like Scotland Yard, bafflement. The meaning of the word bafflement is total confusion. So the famous detective agencies like Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard means the headquarters of London Metropolitan Police Service, Scotland Yard. And the flying squad of England police force are unable to catch him, unable to catch the Macavity. He is the cause of the bafflement. Bafflement means what I told you? Total confusion. To Scotland Yard and despair, total loss of hope to the flying squad. Whenever they reach the place of crime, the mysterious cat will not be there. Fifth and sixth line. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. So, no one can be equal to Macavity as he is the unique one. He is a master in breaking the laws made by the humans. That is law of gravity. He even breaks the law of gravity with his quick and amazing jump. Okay students, 7th and 8th lines. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So, his powerful jump seems as if he is floating in the air, like a levitation. Fakir, a holy place, a holy person who leans on arms and has the power to levitate. So, to look at his flight in the air with a surprise, when you reach the crime scene, Macavity will not be there. The next is 9th and 10th lines. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. So, you may search for him in the basement, that means underground place. Or you may look for him in the sky. But the poet tells that once after doing a crime, Macavity will not be found there. Now let's learn the 11th and 12th lines. Macavity, a ginger cat, he is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him. For him, eyes are sunken in. Macavity is a ginger. Ginger means what? A brownish or orange color, as well as alertness or cautious cat. So, he is very tall and thin. His eyes are deeply sunken in. You can recognize him when you see him. Okay, 13th and 14th lines. His brow is deeply lined. With thought, his head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. So, his eyebrows are deeply lined with thoughts because he is always in deep thoughts or making a plan to commit a crime anywhere else. His head is domed, like round in shape. His coat is dusty with neglect. His whiskers means what? Long, stiff hair ground near the mouth, are not combed because he has no time to come out of his evil thoughts. So next is 15th and 16th lines. His waist is head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So, his waist means moves. His head from side to side while moving like a snake. Have you seen snake? Snakes moves like a moving, space is it. If you think that he is half asleep, you are mistaken. You are mistaken. He is always alert and wide awake. He is always alert and wide awake. Next, 17th and 18th lines. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend and feline shape, a monster of depravity. So, no one can be equal to Macavity as he is the unique one. It is because he is a fiend. Fiend means a demon or devil in the shape of a cat. In feline means what? A cat, a type of cat. He is a monster giant of depravity. Depravity means evil quality or moral corruption. Next is 19th and 20th lines. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in the square. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. You may meet him by chance in a by street, or you may see him in a square. Square means plaza or open area. But when a crime is discovered there, then Macavity will not be found in the scene. 21 and 22nd line. He is outwardly respectable. They say he cheats at cards. And his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yards. His outward impression is respectable. As he is very clever and cunning, cheats and cards. He is a master in moral corruption and cheat at cards, I already told you. His footprints are never to be found in any file of Scotland Yards. Then next one is 23rd and 24th lines. And when the lordess looted or the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another pet's been stifled. He commits the looting of the larder. Larder means cupboard. He ransacks to steal the jewel case. He is responsible for the missing of milk and the strangulation, killing by pressing the throat of Peck. Peck is a small Chinese dog. Peck's been stifled. 25th and 26th line. Or the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis past respired. That's the wonder of thing. Macavity is not there. Some more crimes such as the breaking of the greenhouse glass and trellis. Trellis means wooden bar used as support for creepers. Past repair. Repair. Are usually committed by him, but it is surprising that he doesn't leave any evidence of crime behind him, as if he does not present there. Macavity is not there. Okay, students, now 27th to 30th lines. And when foreign office find a treatise gone astray, or the Admiralty some plans and drawings by the way, there may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on stair, but it is unless to investigate, Macavity is not there. When a file of treaty from the foreign office is found missing, or the government of department that administered the British Navy, Admiralty means government department that administered the British Navy. Drawings or a scrap of paper is found in the hall or on the stair, then there is no use in investigating the matter, because Macavity will not be found responsible for those crimes. Next, 31st and 32nd lines. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been Macavity, but he is a mile away. The Secret Service might say that it is done by Macavity, but that is of no use by the time he will be a mile away from the place of crime. The Macavity is not there. 33 and 34th line. You will be sure to find him resting or licking of his thumbs, or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. Without any doubt, you can find him relaxing or licking his thumbs, or maybe busy in solving the difficult sums of long division. 35th to 38th lines. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. He always has an alibi and one or two to spare. At whatever time the deed took place, Macavity wasn't there. No one can be equal to Macavity, as he is a unique one. There had never been a cat of such deceitfulness. Deceitfulness means dishonesty and cunningness. And suavity. Suavity means what? Tactfulness, confidence and sophistication in the past. He is always using an alibi. Alibi means what? A claim of evidence that he was elsewhere when a crime was committed. And sometimes two alibis also. Whatever time the crime took place, he was not present at the place of the crime at the time. So, Macavity wasn't there. So, now we are going to wind up this poem with these lines. 39th to 42. 42nd line. And they say that all the cats whose big deeds are widely known. I might mention Mangujari, I might mention Griddlebone, are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the just controls their operations. Time the Napoleon of crime. Then the poet tells about other cats like Mangujari. There is a cat named Mangujari and the Griddlebone. Elsewhere, Mangujari and the Griddlebone, whose big deeds are known to people, the victor cats. Those are the agents of Macavity who controls their operations. He is really the Napoleon of crime. So Macavity is the Napoleon of crime. Okay, students. I hope you would have learned well this poem. Okay, from beginning to end. Now I am going to give questions from this poem. So write the question with the answer neatly in your notebook and get signed from your parents and send it to your respective English teachers and to me also. Okay. Thank you. God bless you all.
Macavity is a mysterious cat. He is known as Hidden Paw because he is a master criminal who can disobey any law. Even the famous detective agencies like Scotland Yard and the Flying Squad are unable to catch him. He is the cause of the bafflement to Scotland Yard and despair to the Flying Squad. Whenever they reach the place of crime, the cat will not be there. He is a master in breaking the human laws and law of gravity. He is a ginger cat and he is very tall and thin. His eyes are deeply sunken in. His eyebrows are deeply lined with thoughts. His head is dome-like round in shape. His coat is dusty with neglect. His whiskers are not combed. He is always alert and wide awake. No one can be equal to Macavity, as he is the unique one. It is because he is a devil in the shape of a cat. He is a giant with evil quality. His outward impression is respectable, as he is very clever and cunning. His footprints are never to be found in any file of Scotland Yards. He commits the looting of the larder and ransacks to steal the jewel case. He is responsible for the missing of milk and the strangulation of pig dog. Some more crimes, such as the breaking of the greenhouse glass and trellis, are usually committed by him. But it is surprising that he doesn't leave any evidence of crime behind him, as if he doesn't present there. When a file of treaty from the Foreign Office is found missing, or the Admiralty has lost some plans of drawings, or a scrap of paper is found in the hall or in there, then there is no use in investigating the matter, because he will not be found responsible for those crimes. The Secret Service might say that it is done by the cat, but that is of no use. There had never been a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity in the past. He is always using an alibi. Whatever time the crime took place, he was not present at place of the crime at that time. The other cats like Mungujerry and Griddlebone are the agents of Macavity who controls their operations. He is really the Napoleon of crime. Okay, students, now I am going to recall this poem with questions. Read the given lines and answer the questions follow. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the Hidden Paw. The question is, does the poet talk about a real cat? No. The poet talks about a fictional character. Is the answer for the question. Why is he called the Hidden Paw? He is called the Hidden Paw because he is a master criminal who can disobey any law. Next one. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the Flying Squad's despair for when they reach the scene of crime. Macavity is not there. Question is, what is Scotland Yard? The Scotland Yard is the headquarters of London Metropolitan Police Service. Why does the Flying Squad feel disappointed? The Flying Squad feel disappointed because every time they rush to the crime spot to seize Macavity, he will not be found there. The next one is he sways his head from side to side with the movements like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. The question is, explain the comparison made here. The movements of Macavity are like a snake, while he is moving his face, his head from side to side like a snake. What does he pretend to do? He pretends to half asleep. The next line, for he is a fiend and feline shape, a monster of depravity. The question is, how is the cat described in this line? Macavity is described as a devil in the shape of a cat. He is also referred to as a monster of depravity. Next question. Explain the phrase monster of depravity. Monster of depravity means giant of evil quality, moral corruption. Next poetic line. And his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yards. Question is, what seems to be a challenge for the Scotland Yard? Macavity never leaves his footprints at the place of crime, as there is no trace of evidence to arrest him. It seems to be a challenge for the Scotland Yard. Then next question is, why do they need his footprints? They need his footprints to arrest him. Next line, poetic line. It must have been Macavity, but he is a mile away. Question is, what is Macavity blamed for? Macavity is blamed for the missing of a file of treaty from the Foreign Office, or the loss of some plans and drawings and Admiralty. Where is he? He is expected to be a mile away from the place of crime. Next poetic lines, last one. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. The question is, which cat is being talked of here? Macavity is being talked of here. How is he different from the rest? He is different from the rest by his deceitfulness, means dishonesty or cunningness, and suavity, confidence and sophistication. Okay, dears, I have given clearly question with the answer. And now your assignment is, home assignment is, you have to write all these questions in your notebook and write the answers. The next one is explain the reference lines with the reference to context. A reference line with reference to context, you know how to write. That means you must write reference, context and explanation. So there are 5 questions. So try out all these questions with the answer. And each ERC you have to write the poem name and poet name. If you write in this exam, in your examination, definitely you will be getting 2 marks because this question carries 3 marks. So when you write poet and poet name, 2 marks, and explanation 1 mark. So totally 3 marks. So this part is very, very important. Okay. Yes. Then figures of speech questions also there. Try out your answers and send it to your respective teachers as well as to me. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for listening, children, for this poem. As well as I wish you all a happy Children's Day, because every year we celebrate 14th November as Children's Day. We celebrate it because it is the birthday of first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. His bond and fondness with children like you are legendary. And also I wish you a very happy Diwali. Be the light and spread the light. God bless you all. Thank you.